I awoke to the words that I thought I would never hear again. The basement is flooding. Since December 2020, we have dealt with a lot of flooding to our house. Over the past 2 years, we have done everything in our power to keep this from happening. Last summer, we had a French drain installed and paid over $12,000 to pave our driveway. Alright, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. Today is January 2nd. It is just shortly after noon, and this is what we woke up to. Alright, water tower. Ice encrusted on the side. Water flowing across the road. Directly into our yard. Alright, remember building dams as a kid and diverting water? Who would have known that would come in handy in your 50s? But the water is still coming. It has not stopped. It is a steady flow directly from the water tower. Well, the director of the water department came up and said, well, the tank is not overflowing, but the ditch is plugged. And so we looked, and sure enough, you can see we've got some standing water over here, but because this is an actual ditch, water is actually flowing in there. This here is not. After the director of the water and sewer company called Patrick Cowart and the facilities crew, they showed up within 45 minutes. The young gentleman that was with Mr. Cowart asked who plowed our snow, to which we answered we did. And he noticed that there was snow piling up next to the culvert, thus plugging it. I explained to him that actually was due to the city plowing. So he pointed to our rental and said, it must be them. I said, nope, that's ours too. We shovel our own snow and put it in a place that wouldn't cause this problem. After Mr. Cowart explained that if we just stopped talking about this and let him work, he could complete the job. And he was right. Within 2 hours of him bringing a wheeled excavator and a loader up to Barnett Drive, the ditch was cleaned out. Due to the quick thinking of the Borough Facilities Department of digging out the ditch and rerouting the water to the proper channels, this has caused the water to stop flowing across the road and into our yard and thus into our house. We hope that in the future they will add this to their weekly check-in to make sure that the ditches are free of snow so that the water does not continue to flow towards our house.